Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today we'll be doing a short breathing exercise plus pranayama practice that you can do on a daily basis. We'll be starting with something called the circle of joy, which is a combination of breath and movement that will help you find some flexibility and opening in the upper body so that you're able to breathe better for the pranayama practice. We'll follow that with 3 pranayams. So once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. You can also sit on a chair if sitting down in cross-legged position doesn't seem comfortable. You can prop a cushion or a yoga block under your hips so you can find some length in the spine. Let's start with our circle of joy, bringing both the hands together, interlacing the fingers. Inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale, push the arms away, rounding the spine, bringing chin to chest. Inhale, extend both the arms up, lengthening the spine. Exhale, release the hands, taking them behind. Interlace the fingers behind the hips. Inhale, stretch back, opening the chest. Exhale, release and bring the hands in front. It was 1 round, we'll do 5 more. Inhale up, exhale, rounding the spine. Inhale, extending the arms up. Exhale, release. Inhale, extend the arms back. Exhale, release, bringing the hands back. Again, inhale, exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Inhale back. Exhale, release. 3 more rounds at your own pace. Exhale, release, last round. Inhale up. Exhale, rounding the back. Inhale, extending up. Exhale, release. Inhale, stretch back. Exhale, release and bring the hands in front, and you can just shake out your shoulders. And now we'll be starting the pranayama practice, starting with Kapalbhati Pranayama. In Kapalbhati, the focus is on active exhalation. Inhalation is passive and automatic. Every time we exhale forcefully, our belly is going to go in like this. So we'll be doing single nostril Kapalbhati today. So we'll be starting with 10 pumps just from the left nostril, 10 pumps from the right, again 10 from left and 10 from right. Let's bring the left hand in Chin Mudra on the left knee, right hand in Vishnu Mudra by folding the index and the middle finger, placing the right thumb on the right nostril. Let's take a breath in and out from the left side. And start. And relax. Switch sides, closing the left nostril with the ring finger. Take a breath in and out from the right. And start. and relax. And bring the right hand down, taking a couple of normal breaths. And let's start round 2, placing the right thumb on the right nostril. Breath in and out from the left side. And start. And relax. Switch sides. And start. And relax and bring the right hand down. Kapalbhati is great for cleansing the upper respiratory tract and the nasal passages, and it's great to be done before the other pranayama practices. Next, we are going to do Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, and today we are going to introduce an internal breath retention or kumbhak in alternate nostril breathing. So we are going to do a ratio of 1:1:2. That means we are going to inhale for a count of 4, hold the breath in for a count of 4, and exhale for a count of 8. So let's bring the left hand in Chin Mudra on the left knee, right hand in Nasagra Mudra by folding the ring finger and the little finger. Place the index and the middle finger at eyebrow center, right thumb over the right nostril. Take a deep breath in from the left side. Close the left nostril, holding the breath in. Exhale from the right side. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. 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 Inhale. Hold. exhale, inhale, hold, exhale, inhale, hold, exhale, last round, inhale, hold, exhale, inhale, hold, exhale, and relax and bring the right hand down. We'll finish with Brahri Pranayama or the humming bee breath. In Bhramari, we are going to close our ears, eyes and mouth and take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale out, making a deep humming sound. So we'll practice this with Shanmukhi Mudra, placing the thumbs over the flaps of the ears, closing the ears, placing the index finger over the eyelids, middle finger just above the nostrils, ring finger on the upper lips and ring finger below the lips. We are going to do 5 rounds. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale, making a deep humming sound. Slowly bring the hands down, keeping the eyes closed. Observing the effect of the practice on your mind, body, and breath. We'll end the practice with an Om chant. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring the hands together and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently place the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed this practice and you can incorporate this in your daily routine. I'll see you with something new soon. Till then, take care, keep practicing, and bye-bye.